All right, y'all. K&K's garage here. Nobody really talks about this, so I thought I'd make a video on it. TFI wired up without the computer. It's considered locked out timing. So where you set the timings where it's going to be. This particular build is set at 28 degrees. So let's just get down to it. The bottom wire goes to ground. I have it grounded to the intake right there. The next one up would be the green wire that goes to the negative side of the coil. Next one up is positive side of the coil, but also goes to switched power. So when you have your ignition on, this has to have constant power with the ignition on. Shuts off with the ignition. That's what shuts your engine off. And then the very next one up is to help it start. I'm not exactly sure what it does, but that's what it says when you look it up on the TFI, what it does. I guess it gives it extra spark or something. I don't know. It doesn't retard the timing, I don't think. But I have that hooked up to the starter solenoid. I have it hooked up right to the part that get it in here. Right to the part that turns on the solenoid. So when the keys turned, it powers that wire, and it does help it start even with locked out ignition. You'll see that in a second. So that's how you wire that up. The other two wires I just snipped off because they're not used, and yeah, this is it running. So that's how you wire up a TFI without the computer. Y'all have a great day. If this helps anybody, please like, comment, share, subscribe. We could use all the help we can get. We're going to have a lot more videos coming out on this car, that car, that car. Built that for my wife. And we got a few more. There's another Mustang back there, and then we got a Trans Am here. So we got some content coming up. All right. Thanks, guys. We'll see you soon. Later.